Discover the 2800 Traditional Series by Zephyr Secure, a smart, ADA-compliant locking solution for modern facilities. Designed to simplify security management in high-traffic environments, the innovative 2800 Traditional Series offers unmatched flexibility, convenience, reliability, and value. The 2800 series is engineered for environments where safety, accessibility, and privacy are paramount. Whether you're outfitting lockers in employee locker areas, office space, or the ultimate test, healthcare facilities, the 2800 is designed with both end user and facility management in mind. With temporary or permanent password options up to 12 digits, the 2800 series integrates seamlessly into any environment to deliver security the way you need it. The 2800 series also feature a robust tiered access control system, allowing you to assign specific roles through programmable user, admin, and supervisor codes. For added peace of mind, a manual override key on the front of the lock ensures that access is never compromised in emergency situations or system outages. The 2800 series also has front-of-the-lock battery access, compared to other locks which require back-of-the-locker door battery access. Additionally, the 2800 series feature a port to plug in an external battery. Available in 3 attractive finishes, the low-profile 2810 and 2815 models are engineered for easy vertical or horizontal installation on a wide range of surfaces, including wood, laminate, and phenolic cabinet doors. Its sleek design blends effortlessly into any interior, enhancing both aesthetics and functionality. To learn more about how Zephyr Secure can enhance the safety and efficiency of your healthcare facility, visit our website or contact us today. Let the 2800 Traditional Series bring clarity and control to your security strategy.